Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors, and today I got a special unboxing. I can already tell by the name on the tape what this is. Let me get my strong unboxing knife out. Cut along the sides here. Ooh, this is a big box. Man, okay. Whoa. This is a big box. Alright. Take off all of this bubble wrap. Okay, I still got more to take off. Man, enough. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Ooh, okay. Man, okay, it's at the top. Oh, I'm so excited. Jesus Christ, they spared no expense, did they? Okay, I got a bag. All right, I got a little doggy bag. All right, now for the buds themselves. Jesus Christ. Woo! Yeah! Like that's one major unboxing right there. Okay, we got some writing up here. We got some features up top. We got hybrid ANC, electronic crossover, Knowles balanced armature drivers, 3 mics for noise cancellation, antibacterial ear tips. What's that say? 24 hours of playtime. Quick charge and ambient sound mode. Man, this thing boxed up like it was a MacBook Pro or something. Jesus. All right, let me take this plastic off. Let's look at the back. There's some really small writing in English, but it says high-res audio, true wireless stereo headphones with low latency, high definition audio codec. Deliver high resolution sound, electronic crossover technology, hybrid active noise cancellation. Okay, clear and clean voice in phone calls with 3 microphones. That's good. Quick charge of 10 minutes for 1 hour listening. IP54 rated, dust and water resistance, and you can personalize. Okay, great. So these work with the Edifier app. Great. All right, let me slide that out. Man, okay, 25 years. 25 years of Edifier. Ooh, magnets. Holy Jesus. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, Tozo, step your game up. Oh, look at all these tips. Wow, look at all these tips. Let me see, we got large, we got super large. We got itty bitty tiny ones, we got medium. Okay, so I think the cyan blue might be my best bet. I don't know, I have to take a look at the buds. Pull this tab up. This is crazy, man. Wow. 25 years. Edifier. So we got a quick start guide. We also got some warranty information. Don't know what that is. Like more warranty information in different languages. We got the quick start guide here. Okay. We got the USB-A, the USB Type-C charging cable. What is this? Oh, we got a little carrying bag for the buds. Okay, cool. Man, it's nice. All right. Now let's go ahead and put everything back in here. I'm gonna keep the quick start guide out for a minute. and do away with this box. Just gonna focus exclusively on the earbuds. Man, this is one hell of a presentation here. Okay, case. Got Edifier branding on the back, USB Type-C port, and then we got some type of Knight Rider looking thing. I guess that's the LED indicators. Ooh, it is like Knight Rider. Ooh, I like that. Oh my God, that's cool. Okay, so my hands aren't that sweaty, but I'm pressing on like the bottom of the case, and I noticed that like there's no fingerprints. It's matte finish all the way around. This part right here, this is kind of like brushed aluminum or brushed metal. Let me see. Is that brushed metal? No. Maybe. Hold on. Yeah, it is brushed metal. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, it did a little thing again. Look at that. Oh man, I like that. Okay, let's look at the buds. Wow. They look nice. Not gonna lie, they look nice. They look like the Earfun Air Pro. And they look like the, what was it? The Edifier, was it TWS MB2, I think that's what they were called. Yeah, so they got the same design. I'm looking for the indicator lights. Because usually once you take buds out of the case, the lights will start blinking to let you know that they're pairing. I don't see any type of, I don't see no blinking lights. I gotta admit, these things, silicone tips though, that's impressive. I got the green ones on here. Well, hopefully these will fit my ears. Let me see. Let me put these back on. Let's try out the fit. Ooh, okay. Fit pretty good. Might need to try something bigger than this though. They kind of fit, fit a little loose. Overall, that's a nice, good fit. I like how at first, you know, seeing other people's videos of this Tonto blade type design, it looked kind of goofy, but actually I think that's actually pretty smart because it's sharp edge, not rounded, so it'll be easier to do this. So yeah, it's nice. And this right here, this bulbous part is at an angle, so it'll fit in your ear. It'll fit comfortably right there in that little dimple, the concha, and they fit perfectly in the case. I like that Knight Rider thing. I can't stop looking at that. That's cool. All right, let me try and put the tip back on here. At least I know these things will work. Oh man, it's hard to get back on here. Okay, there, got it. Well, this has been the unboxing of the Edifier NeoBuds Pro true wireless earbuds. Got these from Indiegogo, and I finally got them. So don't forget to leave a like, comment, share this video, and thank you for watching. I got them.